Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on Teddy's Creatures. Today I'm talking about how deep substrate and making your tank more natural helps it thrive, your fish thrive, your fish happier, and how to create an ecosystem. So first, what you want to do is not feed your fish too much. Don't listen to what pet shops say, feed them every day, because they're just a hungry fish is a happy fish basically. So you don't want to feed your fish too much, and also it's bad for your tank if you feed your fish too much, because it creates bacteria and nitrates in the water, and that's also could kill your fish really. And also what you want to do is you can wipe algae with your wiper off the front screen so you can see your fish, but you don't want to do it on your other side of your tank, because that actually removes, even though it doesn't look very nice, actually remove nitrates and bacteria from the water, which kills your fish. So do leave some of that stuff in there. Next is about the substrate. You want to first, you can keep your gravel if you have gravel in your tank, but you want to put a layer of peat or compost or whatever soil, and you want to put a layer of sand about each an inch thick, and then that will create an ecosystem, because any debris will sink down into the substrate and feed the plants really. So that will help your tank. Next is ornaments are bad basically. I've said this in other videos. I know I've got an ornament in here, but it's basically Bacon's house, so I can't take it out of. And plus it's not really too bad. But you don't want to have too many of them, because it takes up space for your fish. So you've got, and what's it to the fish? Just the big object in the middle of the water. They're not really going to have that in a river or a lake, are they? So yeah, you don't really want too many ornaments. 1 or 2 is fine, but you want to make it as natural as possible. And also driftwood is ideal, and rocks that I've got there, and lots of plants. I've got loads of plants in this tank, and not as many fish. You want more plants than fish basically, because it oxygenates the water, and then you have happy, healthy fish and a thriving tank. So if you do take some of those tips, then you might have a more thriving and better tank. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe.